So this connector that I've got here, this is a Seeflex 040AS connector. This is manufactured from our standard Seeflex 040E polyurethane, but we've added a little bit of anti-static material into it. And what that anti-static does is it brings down the surface resistivity of this so that you can use it in a few different applications. One of those applications is ATEX areas or areas where there's potentially explosive materials. Using this material means that the area is a little bit safer in certain scenarios. So where you have a material that's moving quite fast, so pneumatic transport, or with a very high drop height, it's more likely to generate a higher charge, and this material with a surface resistivity of 10 to the 8 can dissipate that charge a lot easier. So it basically means that if your material is falling from a really high height, when they hit the sides of this material will charge, but then it can dissipate that charge through into the spigots and out to ground safely. One of the other problems that this solves is in applications where you have quite fine powders. You can have static charge generating on a connector that attracts that powder to the sidewalls and stops it from flowing. Using a dissipative material like this, that's slightly more dissipative than some of our other materials, it'll just prevent some of that material from sticking on the sides and allow it to flow through a lot nicer. So one of the advantages that our 040AS connectors have over traditional hose clamp type systems is of course that they don't leak dust. So like our other connectors, we certify that these are dust type products, and that means that in the event of an explosion, there's not going to be a secondary explosion outside the connector that can throw up all the dust and create a disastrous scenario. So this material being dissipative, anti-static, coupled with the fact that dust doesn't leak out of it, makes it an all-around safer connector when you compare it to hose clamp type systems.